big country survival. And on the way into work here, a little later than usual, but still heading in about the time people are waking up. Got my coffee. Life is good. So, we'll talk about puppies, dogs. What is the ultimate prepper dog? Is it the Rhodesian Ridgeback? I know some people really like those. Is it the Husky? You can pull your sled. Is it a Rottweiler, a Pit Bull, an Australian cattle dog? I love those things, by the way. Australian cattle dogs. Is it one of those? Is it a Mountain Cur? Yes, that's a breed. Look it up. Old Yeller was a cur. Not the movie, the book. Disney got it wrong again. Alright. So what was it? Any of those things? Is it any of those? My opinion? No. My opinion, and I know opinions are like buttholes. Everyone has one and they all stink. So, anyway, my personal opinion is no purebred dog is the perfect prepper dog. My opinion is a mutt, at least a mix. You want to go with a mutt or a mix, at least 2 separate breeds. Like, I don't know, a blue tick coonhound crossed with a pit bull or something. That'd be an interesting cross. I'd like to see that, actually. Something like that, at least a mix. And they're healthier. You can kind of get the best of both worlds with the breeding. Like, you get, say, a blue tick and a pit bull mix. Well, then it would stand to reason you would get the hunting capabilities and of the coon dog with the body and strength, at least partially, of the pit bull. Or the American Staffordshire Terrier, whatever, American Bull Terrier, something or other. So, it would stand to reason you would get the best of both worlds in those things. I prefer a dog between 35 and 75 pounds. Just somewhere in that neck of the woods. It's not too small where you got to worry about a hawk carrying it off or an eagle carrying it off or something. But at the same time, it's not so big you got to feed it 20 pounds of food a day, Like your Mastiffs, your Great Danes, all of them. You don't want that. That's just more food you've got to prepare for with them. That, and you get the bigger dogs and they get some size-related health issues, which might be minimalized by mixed breeding, but the food in and of itself is a turn down to me. So what I'm trying to say is pedigree ain't nothing. You don't want to get you a dog that's so high bred that, you know, it's got an Uncle Daddy or something. Because that's how irresponsible breeders will do. And your gene pool is very restricted in a purebred dog. So there's that. Now, you know, purebreds, I mean, they're good temperament good dogs is all that. And I'm just not a big fan of them for the health issues. Another thing, when you're picking out your dog, check the roof of its mouth. Check the roof of the mouth and see how much black is on the roof of its mouth. The more black on the roof of a dog's mouth, the more intelligent the dog is. Easier to train it'll be. You know, the smarter the dog. And that I have seen proven true. I have no scientific research to back this up, but I have seen it proven true. And I received the information from a very, you know, this guy, he knew what he was talking about. It's just a little bit of old country wisdom, which I personally believe that old country wisdom is a lot better than most scientific research. But just something to look for, something to think about. You know, there are different dogs for different situations, so you got to figure out yours and what would be right for you. But personally, I'd go with a mutt. Whatever the breed mix is, it doesn't matter. You know, that's your call, but personally, I would go with a mix. Anyway, this Big Country Survival. Well, great day. God bless.